All right, question 11. So ABCD, all right, over here is a square. The unshaded part is made up of four identical isosceles triangle, right, marked over here with the base measuring 8 centimeters. The length of CD is 6 times the length of the base of a triangle. Okay, so in this case over here, we're gonna put this as 6 units. Okay, 6 units. And then the base of the triangle is 1 unit, like this. So each of this is 1 unit. That means since it's 8 centimeters, this is also 8 centimeters. And also in this is 8 centimeters as well. Okay, so find the height of the triangle. So where's the height of triangle? Is this one, right? So this is the height of triangle. Okay, over here. So I'm gonna draw this one, maybe dot dot dot, and maybe, yeah, so this is the height of the triangle. Okay, something like this. All right, so I think we will know what is the height of a triangle, because if this is 1 unit and these are the same, right, this one and also this one is the same, right, over here, as you can see, right? So that means we can figure out what is the height of the triangle. Okay, so we know 1 unit is equal to 8 centimeters. Then we know 6 units equal to 6 times 8 equal to 48 centimeters. Okay, so how many units are these two over here? So we can actually just having 48. So we know that these two sides are 48. So what is these two sides? So height of triangle in units, right? So here you don't need this, but so two height of triangles in units is equal to 6 units minus 6 units minus 1 unit is equal to 5 units. Okay, so that means 5 units is equal to 5 times 8, which is equal to 40 centimeter. So that means if two height of the triangle over here, okay, is equal to, in this case, 40 cm, so one height of triangle is equal to 40, and then we divide it by 2, it will give you 20 centimeters. So the answer to this is 20 centimeters over here. All right, so let's move on. Okay, the next part says find the total area of, so part B, find the total area of the shaded parts. So if we can get the area of the triangle, then we can minus off this area of square, right? So area of square, so area of square, so I would say length of square is equal to 6 units, right? So we know 1 unit is 8 cm, so 6 times 8 equal to 48 centimeters. Okay, so length of square in units is equal to 6 units, and we know 1 unit is 8 centimeters in this case over here. Okay, so the area of the square is equal to 48 times 48, and this will then become, right, so 48 times 48, 2304 centimeter square. Okay, so now we know that this whole area of square is 2304 centimeters square. The next thing is you want to get the area of triangle. So one triangle, right, which is equal to, so we know the height of the triangle is 20 centimeter. So it's half times base times height. So we know the base is 8, right, according to this 8 centimeters. And then the height itself is 20 centimeters. This will be 80 centimeter square, right? Okay, so now the next thing is We know the area of the square. We know, or I'll say area of big square. So bigger square, big square, big square. So next thing is we want to know the area of small square area. Actually, don't need to have. Do we need? Yeah, we don't need. So basically, shaded part area of shaded part is equal to. So we have 2304, which is basically big square minus 4 triangle, like this. Okay, that's it. Which is in this case over here, big square is 2304 and then minus 4 times triangle 80. So this will be 2304 minus 4 times 80 is 320. Okay, whoops. Okay, so let's double check our our calculations. Minus, so yeah, cancel everything first. So 4 times 80. Okay, this will be 320. So half is zero point 0.5 times 8 times 20. This will be 80. Okay, so 2304 and then minus 320. Okay, and this will give us 1984 centimeter square. Okay, and that's it. There you go. So this is the answer. All right, let's move on to the next question, question number 12. So it says here different lengths of ribbons were used to decorate big and small trees as shown below. Part A, Mr. Yaki decorated 36 big trees and 36 small trees. How many meters of ribbon he used altogether? So you have 13 meters of ribbon and 5 meters, 13 meters for 4 big trees and 5 meters for 6 small trees.